This video will show you how to disconnect your Google Drive desktop app from your Google Drive Online account. We want to disconnect the Google Drive desktop app from this account. First, launch your Google Drive desktop app. You can do this through your desktop shortcut or by going to this PC and clicking on Google Drive. Your app will be activated and placed on the taskbar. If you don't find it there, click the up arrow button on the bottom right, then click on the Google Drive icon. Then, choose the Settings button. Next, click on Preferences. Under Preferences, click on Settings. Choose the Gmail account you want to disconnect. You'll be asked to confirm the account disconnection. Click OK. Your desktop app will now be disconnected from Google Drive Online. That's how you disconnect your Google Drive desktop app from your Google Drive Online account. Now, go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.